Push the ball.
Yes.
Excuse me. I'd like to book some tennis lessons for my son. Tom, right?
Okay. How did it begin?
It's just the most beautiful place to work. Could be worse, yeah. I think you guys just need to get out and explore the island.
You could take us. We spent the day out
Nice.
visiting the island. Come. Can you do my back? We really needed this holiday and we want everything to be perfect.
What are you hiding?
Dave's gone.
One drink. In and out.
Careful, Dave. Oh.
¿Esto es ayer?
Sí. Yep, got it.
¿Qué haces aquí?
How's that?
No, that was in.
Just filling Tom in on your jet-set party years. She'd go island hopping, and sometimes I wouldn't even know who she was.
Sometimes neither did I.
¿Esa es la mujer del tío?
Sí.
Me suena. ¿Qué?
The police were here talking to security.
What if they can't find him?
You should come.
Why you don't tell me the truth?
He's scared.
Scared of what?
Anne? Anne, wait!
I'm really tired.